Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about natural hazards. So natural hazards are the hazards that happen naturally. So first of all, we're going to look at hurricanes. So hurricanes are really tropical storms that really starts moving really fast over the ocean. And then the water also starts traveling along with this wind, and then there's a little bit of flooding on the sides of on the coast that can cause a lot of damage in the tropical storm because there's a lot of wind. That wind can also destroy property, trees, houses and stuff that can cause a lot of damage. And then we got something really similar, which is tornado. Tornadoes are basically that happen on land. Tornado is basically rotating column of air. When air starts rotating really high speeds, that is basically tornado. It can be really aggressive and wide. They can go up to 300 kilometers per hour and can also be up to few miles wide. And then we've got tsunamis. Tsunamis are basically happen on the ocean. Whenever there is earthquake in the ocean, it's gonna start moving column of water, and the water is gonna start traveling in every direction. And if there's land next to it, and then when the water is gonna hit the land, and then the waves are gonna start rising high, and that's your tsunami basically. Whenever water level starts rising, that's your basically flood, and the opposite of that is drought. Whenever the water level starts dropping, flooding basically can happen as a result of many factors. It can happen due to excess rainfall, or it can also happen due to tsunami or hurricane. And then next one, we've got your opposite of flooding, which is drought. Droughts basically happen when there is no rainfall or there is no water level left in the rivers, and this is when every kind of life form starts dying out. All the plant life starts dying out, and this is your basically drought. When there are droughts, there's a potential there could be wildfire at the same time because everything is really dry, there is no rainfall. And if there's any kind of lightning strike, then that's gonna cause wildfire. That's another natural phenomena. And the next one we've got is the last one, is the landslides. So landslide is basically when the land is going to start sliding, usually down a slope. Usually these kind of things happen on mountains whenever either this could be due to natural activity, due to mountains shaking or something else, and then the land is going to start sliding, and this can be pretty aggressive. It can take down whole villages and towns. And then we've got something similar that happens on the land. Whenever land is gonna pop out, like basically lava is gonna push out from the land, that's going to be a volcano. There is any kind of activity underneath the planet, like plate activity or whatever, that's gonna push lava out, and then the lava is gonna come out, and then there's gonna be volcano. There's a lot more goes behind a volcano. We're not gonna talk about that today, but this is all we're gonna talk about, and thank you for watching.